Checking. This tool detects duplicate elements in your model by parameters or by location. Simply choose the family type, pick a parameter, and instantly see which elements are repeated. You can also identify those that overlap in space. With a double click, you're taken straight to a 2D view, zooming in on the issue. The perfect tool for cleaning your model and quickly spotting errors. Let's launch the tool and review its interface. Enter a fragment of the family name to quickly filter it in the drop-down list. Next, enter the parameter name against which the program will search for duplicates. Confirm the selection. Two elements with the same mark value are immediately displayed. A double-click switches the view to the relevant drawing. Another double-click zooms into the indicated element. A double-click on the second element zooms in as well. A correction can now be made before moving to the next example. A fragment of the family name is entered, and the detector is selected from the list. The field is cleared. When empty, the tool checks the selected family by element location. Confirm the selection. Immediately, we can see two elements in the same location. Let's double-click the first and second items. We can see both elements overlapping. Let's move the elements apart and run check duplicates again. The tool no longer reports any issue.